All right, howdy everyone. Part of living in Brazil is enjoying farm life, and we got our friend over here, Romil, who is going to be making us some beef sausage. We have 3 different varieties that we're going to make today. We're going to use a pepper sausage, we're going to use a cheese sausage, and a bacon sausage. And over here, we're going to be using these cuts of beef over here. So we slaughtered a cow yesterday, and so nothing goes to waste. We're going to make ground beef, and we're going to make sausage. So he's cutting the beef in strips and in cubes. So he's gonna run it through the machine. And then once he runs it through the machine, he's gonna ground up and he's gonna add bacon. He's gonna add onions, garlic. He's gonna add little peppers, which in Brazil we call pimenta biquinho. And it's gonna be delicious. This guy knows what he's doing. He's chopping up this cheese. It's a half-cured cheese from the state of Minas Gerais. So it's handcrafted cheese. Mostra pra gente aqui o queijo, Roma. Ó, bonito, né? Look at that. That's a beautiful chunk of cheese. Romil's going at it, man. Good job, Romil. Thank you. Look at this man. He's an artist. I'm impressed. There you go. That looks nice. So he's making the seasoning. He's adding a little bit of meat just to kind of get the machine going. And then he's putting the onions and the garlic together. And he's making a paste out of it so we can put it in our sausage. That's great, man. So he's getting like 10 kilos separated. And he's going to make 3 different types of sausage. Nipple pepper sausage, which is this little guy over here. It doesn't have any kind of heat to it, but it's got a nice twangy flavor to it. It's really good. It's called pimenta biquinho. Biquinho because it looks like a nipple. All right. And then he's going to separate another 10 kilos, and he's going to make 10 kilos of cheese sausage. So we got our half-cured cheese over here, and then he's going to make 10 kilos with bacon. And now we got the professional over here weighing it out. So 5 kilos. All right, we got some more to go. I can tell you, man, Rommel's got talent. He's good at what he does. Good job, Rommel. Very nice. Rommel, do your magic. Quanto custa quilo de linguiça disso?
Linguiça igual essa aqui, ó, boa, são uns 25 conto.
25?
25 a 28 reais.
Tá bonito, não tá? All right, so we got the sausage in and it's starting to smell wonderful. Dude, rich, kind of fatty smell, cheese. Looks like this is the cheese variant of the sausage. All right, ladies and gentlemen, looks like it's time to serve. Let's check it out. That's beautiful. Wow. Holy moly. This will make a fine chiragosto. And this is what it looks like after it's cooked. Delicious. In Brazil, it's very common for people to use their hands as a form of a makeshift plate. put a little bit of something on their hand. Like that. This is my favorite pepper. I'm gonna put a tiny drop of pepper like that. Go to town. Isaac, you want a piece?
Yes.
Try it out. Is it good? You like
Very
it?
good.
You like it?
Yes.
Good, 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 good. Me too. Remember, y'all, with the good chiragosto, good to have a cold beverage. Saúde! Good. Banging. Completely different than pork sausage. Not as fatty, a lot less fat than pork sausage, but it's got a rich flavor to it. Can't stop eating this. Anyway, if you like the process of making this beef sausage and you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos of life in Brazil. Tchau! Tchau! Muito obrigado!